Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and today I made some sheet pan brisket tacos. Right here I've got some with hot sauce and sour cream in them. And let me show you how easy these are to make. You know, whenever you have brisket, whenever I make a brisket, I gotta have brisket tacos. I've been seeing these sheet pan tacos on Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, and I thought I need to try those. I love crunchy tacos, and these are definitely crunchy. These are done in the oven at 425. So let me show you how I put these together, and we'll come back and I'll do a taste test. Okay, now this is something I very rarely do. You get a damp paper towel. I got 10 corn tortillas here. This is just the easy way they say to do it. I usually like to fry my tortillas a little bit to soften them, but they say to do it this way. And we'll microwave them. While my tortillas are in the microwave, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil down on this parchment paper on a cookie sheet and spread it out. Ooh, sticky. Extra virgin olive oil. Tortillas are ready. Like I mentioned, we're doing brisket tacos, sheet pan tacos, brisket. With brisket, I always add green chili. If you've never added green chili to your brisket, you got to give this a try. The flavor of green chili and the flavor of brisket together, oh my goodness. It is so good. All right, now you can use ground beef. If you use ground beef, over at Walmart or Sam's Club, they sell this Spanglish Asadero seasoning, taco seasoning. Way better than that packaged stuff. So, all right, tortillas are ready. They ended up going 1 minute because after 30 seconds, it just did not seem like they were going to be very pliable. All right, so we're going to lay these out on the olive oil. They are hot. I have my oven preheated to 425. Okay, I'm going to do these right now. Then I'm going to take my brisket with green chili. You don't have to have the green chili, but because brisket tacos are amazing. And we're going to fill these up with quite a bit here. More than I normally fill tacos with because we're doing these sheet pan brisket tacos. Now this brisket, you can make your brisket however you want. This is a leftover brisket that I smoked on my other channel, Man Kitchen Recipes. All right, then we're going to go in with some cheese. You could put whatever you want inside your tacos. I love this Chihuahua cheese. Another item you can find at Walmart. It's a quesadilla. It melts really well, and it tastes great. Okay. And so part of the microwave part was so that your corn tortillas will fold. And since they were laying flat on the olive oil, they have olive oil on both sides. Okay, I'm going to get the other ones done here, and we'll get the other 5 in here, and then we'll put them in the oven. Just like that. I had just enough brisket and green chili for all 10. The tortillas microwave did okay. They didn't split, so use fresh ones. And let's get them in the oven at 425. We're going to go for about 30-35 minutes. About 15 minutes through, you want to flip them over. All right, it's been 15 minutes, I'm sorry. So what you want to do then is come in here, you can use tongs and flip them over. Got them all flipped over. Go in for another, let's go 15-20 minutes. Be right back. All right, another 15 minutes. There you go. Sheet pan, crispy brisket tacos. Yeah, a couple of them split. That's no big deal. There they are. Couple of them split, but you know, I don't know. That's not going to affect me having a good time with these tacos. All right, let's do a taste test. All right, so here's our sheet pan tacos. I've got some homemade fermented hot sauce that I'm going to add to this. It's really good stuff. And I think I'll put a little bit of sour cream. And that's all I'm going to do. So how easy is that? You don't want to stand there frying tacos in the pan. I don't mind. That's how I really love them. I love crispy tacos. And this one here, I've got my homemade fermented hot sauce in. I got some sour cream in there. You can put whatever you want in your tacos. Tomatoes, onions, lettuce, whatever. I just like them plain like this. A little hot sauce, brisket, and Hatch Green Chiles. Well, that made a mess. That sour cream came squirting right out the bottom. Man. Can you hear how crunchy those are? I love tacos. I love all tacos. Brisket and green chili especially. And crunchy. All right. $4.25 for 30 minutes, flipping halfway through. I think you probably go a little less. A couple edges are a little toasty, but man, that doesn't bother me at all. I love crunchy, crispy tacos. So thank you for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you give these a try. You can, like I said, you can use hamburger with taco seasoning or whatever you like in your tacos. It doesn't have to be brisket, but if you have leftover brisket or any brisket, give it a try. Pulled beef, chicken, sheet pan, crispy tacos. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you have a great day.